The temperature at which molecular motion of a gas becomes zero, absolute zero temperature. According to Boyle's law, at constant temperature, the product of pressure and volume of mass of a gas remains constant, PV Brammer constant. The characteristic equation PV Brammer nRT applies to which gas? Ideal gas. The law that is not related to gas, Joule's law. It will not diffuse, fenugreek powder. Not correct about diffusion. The rate of fusion depends upon their volume. Properties of gas that makes their potable, compressibility. For an ideal gas at 25 degrees Celsius, what will be average kinetic energy per molecule in SI unit? 6.17 into 10 minus 21. In 1787, the law was studied, which was stated that volume of a gas increase with increase in its absolute temperature and volume. Charles' law, under which condition ideal gas, low pressure and high temperature. The alpha rays are positively charged, beta rays are negatively charged, and gamma rays are no charge, neutral. Velocity of alpha rays is 1 by 10 of velocity of light and vacuum. Beta rays 98% of speed of light, and gamma is equal to speed of light. Penetrating power, least penetrating is alpha, more than alpha is beta, and most is in gamma. It can penetrate 100 cm thick aluminum sheet. What is isotope? Atom of same number of proton but different neutron. Mass number is different, atomic number same. Isobar, same mass number, different atomic number. Isotope, two or more species of atom that have same number of neutron. Neutron is same. Isoelectronic, same number of electron. Protium, deuterium, tritium are isotope. Proton is same, different is neutron. Isotopes. 0 neutrons are present in protium. The most common isotope of a nuclear weapon are uranium and plutonium. Isotopes of hydrogen deuterium contains a proton and a neutron. Isotopes same atomic number, different mass number. Chlorine gas 3:1, 35 Cl, 37 Cl. When you change the number of neutron of an atom, it changes its mass number. The reason a difference in mass of a molecule of isotope is different number of neutrons in the nucleus. The chemical characteristic symbol but atomic mass is different is known as isotope. Two isotopes of a natural chlorine are 70-35 and 25% 35.5. The existence of isotope was suggested by Frederick Soddy. Different mass number,